Tired of unexpected power cuts and watching your electricity bills climb higher and higher every month? What if I told you that your own rooftop holds the key to solving both of these problems? Imagine turning that unused space into your very own clean electricity generation station. It's not science fiction, it's the power of modern solar technology. Welcome to Smart Power for a Smarter Life. With a solar system from Sylhet Solar Solution, you can save a significant amount of money on your energy costs, gain energy independence, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with uninterrupted power. This isn't just about convenience, it's about securing your family's comfort and your business's productivity, even during widespread load shedding. By choosing solar, you're also making a powerful statement for a greener future. Every kilowatt of clean energy you generate helps reduce carbon emissions, protecting our beautiful planet for generations to come. You're not just investing in your home, you're investing in a healthier world. But where do you start? It can seem complicated, but that's where we come in. Sylhet Solar Solution offers a complete one-stop service. From the initial consultation and custom system design to professional installation and dedicated after-sales support, we handle everything for you. We believe in quality you can trust, which is why we only use world-class inverters, long-lasting lithium batteries, and high-efficiency solar panels. This ensures your system delivers reliable performance for decades. Whether you need backup power for your home, office, a critical facility like a hospital, or your business, we have a solution. We don't believe in one-size-fits-all. Our team will carefully assess your specific energy needs, your available roof space, and your budget to design a system that's perfectly tailored to you. Think of it as a long-term investment. A solar power system not only slashes your monthly bills, but also offers a fantastic return over time, adding value to your property. Don't let power cuts disrupt your life or high bills drain your finances any longer. Take control of your energy future. Visit our website or give us a call today for a free consultation. Let Sylhet Solar Solution help you unlock the power of the sun. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more clean energy tips.